good day, sirs. What a line. What a line we got here. Like it's a ceiling. I mean, it was a ceiling. This line is a ceiling. You know what I mean? Uh, thoughts on that on this day. Thoughts on this day. Thoughts on this day. Well, first things first. It's everything is above, 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 right?
Order filled. Order placed. Order cancelled. Order placed. Order cancelled. Order filled. Order cancelled. 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 Order cancelled.
Okay, I've been speaking to myself for a long time. I've been muted. The microphone's been muted. Okay, and that's pretty shitty. But what I was thinking that first of all on Apex there's a trailing drawdown, which sucks because if I go to here, I'm out basically. It cannot be like this. It's just out right here, so I have to trail it. But it's not the idea of this trade, to trail it. If I would not be risking that much, then obviously that would be great. Right now, this whole thing just has to work. Okay, now I see all the liquidity here just to blow. I'm making is to
Order cancelled.
a little bit
Order
closer
cancelled.
because I already have 190, so I need another 3,000, and I'm taking the straight off. Now I see some liquidity stacking to the downside, but the S is pumping a little bit. Also, there's gonna be a this thing, and this gonna be it. I hope. No, I need like another 1,000 or something. It's now the little papacito. Look, and because what? Wait, what? That's the hour? No, it's just Jesus, such a volatile market. Oh my Jesus, Lord.
Order cancelled.
See? See? The trailing drawdown. I mean, this is ridiculous. I mean, this is okay. That's why you cannot. I'm telling you, you cannot pass Apex accounts in one day. You know, it's a lie. It's a total lie. It's a lie, man. They closed me because I entered here, right? I was up and hmm, hmm, hmm. Okay, that is stupid, huh? So this is 1 to 1, 1.5. Okay. So
Order placed.
yeah, I'll buy here some.
Order filled. Order placed. Order cancelled. Order placed. Order filled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
to 5, 650.
Order cancelled.
Okay, it's still valid. My strategy is still valid right here. It came back. I know it sometimes will. It's a 50 Fibonacci, by the way. I didn't want to wait again for retest, so I entered a bit later, a few seconds. I don't think it's a big deal. But also, the thing is, okay, it's 2-2. Okay, let's leave it like that. By the way, I have to be exact. Can you please stay still? 17 evens, right? This should be 7. What's the price? How can I know? I don't remember how to get the price quotes here. $160. I should be here, which is 305 ticks. Okay, just let's be realistic. 305 ticks for a stop loss, which means like 610
Order
for
cancelled.
the profits. Well, I averaged stupidly a bit, so I'm sorry. Cuckoo. Yeah, so okay, 1 minute till news. News comes out, and we'll be. Can we carry on with this trade? Let's see that. Let's see if it works. Let's see, because we've been here. There was a volatile start. We came back here, and now we're just a few seconds away. So if I will be taken out. I'll be taking out. You know what? As a target, actually,
Order
I
cancelled.
definitely see this one. Okay, 2 seconds, and here we go. Nope. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Wow. What a market, huh? What a spike to 50s. Didn't get through. No, we didn't touch 50s. Okay, that's okay. It's still okay. It's not my. I'm not blaming. We still got juice. Oh, wow. Just look at the swings. Huge swings. Okay, so can we continue? That took the highs, took the lows, and this is now where it trades. This is now where it trades. If we take a look at this one, what is this pivot? Resistance to the upside. Yeah, it's a nice resistance. But I think I'm good with my target over there. mm, yeah, that was. Oh, Apex, yeah, it wouldn't have held. That's stupid, huh? That is stupid. Okay, now it seems like we are having a hard time to going up and over. All these clusters of liquidity. There's lots of red on ES, but the price is not moving lower. It just tags. Okay, it's just like there's a lot of selling pressure, a lot of selling pressure, but the price is not moving that fast, that much. This pressure, So that's a good thing. But there's a bad thing that I've seen such a huge wicks to the upside, which can indicate us the potential for a top area of this huge today's extension, you know. Okay, there was some buying at this level, which is good. If the sellers are not winning, so we are off to the races. There's lots of stuff going on right here. Still 50 fib is in play, but well, the higher highs, high lows maybe also. Okay, I'm leaving it like right here a bit. I'll be back soon. Okay, so well, I don't feel comfortable actually being here for the longs. It just stopped for such a long time. There's like lots of aggressive selling over here, but the price is now moving, which is a good thing. But it might start to move very quickly, but we have lots of orders exchanging here. These big wicks, like if this now it looks like it wants to rip up, but then on the other hand just stalls and then comes back. It's just like it feels like buyers wanna win, but it's just like the delta went a bit negative, which is not a bit, but we went so much up, and okay, so that's 1.5% positive, so it's not bad, not bad. Okay, this minute is starting up there, which is nice. Nice to see that. Nice to see that. Maybe continuation would be also even better. So, l- like buyers went over, but they cannot win this battle yet or ever. Okay, I'll be back soon. Okay, so we're at the exact same place. Yes, looks like a bit better. Looks a bit better. But still, we just somehow we cannot go through the orders upstairs, which is like this. 50, 50 fibs and target 200. Ooh, wow. Well, actually, actually, to be fair with you, like if we break this
Order
area,
cancelled.
I wouldn't be surprised if we just like smash everything because we are spending so much time right here that is crazy. And I'm thinking that we might, it's just like an easy target, easy target. What is this like on paper? It's 300s. I mean, if we break all that thing, it just we'll need to break this 15-minute range first of all, if we are even thinking about going up. We would have to break that level. If we do that, jeez, it's so lagging. Everything's so oops. And you know what? like as sexy as it sounds, but sorry, like Apex, really. I was right on the trade, but you're not. It's they're not building consistent traders. I mean, that trailing drawdown. Okay, it's just yeah, these buyers. Ugh, they're having such a hard time going up. It's crazy. This is crazy. They're having such a hard time going up. Now this level, if we break that, break it out, I mean, there's very little things that are stopping us. Okay, let's see it on the S chart. Such a huge extension. I mean, look at that. It's just such a huge extension. Gap up, pull, and no stops. Is it possible for these areas to play? We don't know. We don't know. But that's if we go there, then all-time highs are in play. Semi. And again, look this battle. Well, actually now there's more liquidity up there than down there. Probably it's a very good, nice level, actually. If we come there, if you don't, we don't. It's not our job to predict the markets. Wow, 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 wow. This is just, yeah, the violent selling came in. Violent selling. Like violent selling. Violent. Yes, doesn't look like it wants to stop here. Definitely. It just depends where it will stop, you know, if it will stop. Or we're going straight to hell. If that's another wick, oh my god. then oh my god. Can we bounce off the ES VWAP? Or is too much to ask? Is it just a temporary bounce? Or that's just or it's a liquidity? But that it's quite slow. Jeez, this market today. Crazy town. Crazy town. Simply crazy, crazy. If you would be on 15 minutes, so you would probably be here somewhere, wouldn't you? Let's just check it out. Yeah, you would be here, and you would still have to be like you would want that also to be 2 to 1 risk to reward. You would be in much worse shape. Yeah, that's exactly the target. 230. The resistance. Yeah, okay, that's the exact target for 15-minute range. So if we are, there's many times when like, well, I don't like that anymore. It just feels like it's gonna like just drop and never come back. Okay. Oh, I'm just tired watching. Sellers are winning for sure. Look at these last 4 candles. It looks like it just, if it drops, it just vomits, you know? It's grinding lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. Lots of pressure to the downside. Watching live these markets gives you a headache. Definitely we will come back for this. how do you how do you like measure this gap? Is it like that or like that? If that turns around. Like, I don't like. I don't know what to think. That's an interesting day. Let's see if tomorrow we have some news or not. Because actually, if we have some serious news today, nah, nah, nothing. This week's nothing. This week's is best for my setups. So I had 2 wins, but on Monday I didn't take a trade. I was out enjoying myself. Okay, this market is going either way, and probably I'm not in control to do anything right now because I could potentially take this out of the table, but like, is it worth doing that? Mm, wow. I mean, somebody just bought all the markets. Yeah, buddy. That's very predictable today. That's a fucking predictable today. Look at this. This one was a good prediction. 2 minutes of I don't know what. Then the news. And now it's just grinding somewhere. Okay, like this was 500. Oh boy, what do you know? Oh boy, what do you know? All day, all night. So let's see if this will carry us away from this. Like, there's also this cluster again where everybody's meeting to have a chat, you know? So, yeah, like, quite hard to predict the market. It's nice that Fib 50 is working like a charm a few times in a row, right? Now, this wick. Look at this beautiful wick. Look at these beautiful wicks. It's a 15-minute chart. I mean, they don't fit in my screen. If I want to see numbers, they don't fit in my screen. Wow. Just pure wow. Madness. Again, bought up. Market again has been bought. I mean, again, again. Huge trades, huge 1K to 2. Like, bought everything. So that was lots of sellers. They tried to push the price down, but now they are gone. Gone. Sayonara, sayonara, guys. They're gone. What's left is what's left? Nothing's left. I'm gonna tell you, nothing's left. It's just the buyers are left in here. If they break through this, there's no stopping. If we break through this, there's no stopping. Apex, you suck. You suck big time. I mean, Apex, fuck off. If we break through this, there's no stopping until the resistance will come up. Where is this resistance? What should I do? This is a big question. Like, take 2 to 1, like I supposed to do, or take this one. Mm, 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 mm. I mean, 50 fibs, 200 fibs is just in play. If we we get out of this mess, so it's like here to 55. Yeah. So what? Wait, what? Jeez. Thank you. And come on, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Oh man. 5-5. Oh, that was wow. Nice. And after that, there's nothing waiting. Like no liquidity. We can go up to here. Easy. What a nice view. Oh boy, this market. Okay. Wow. That's like Jesus. There's so much. I want to say, but I cannot say because it's that thing. It's going to not listen to me. Oh, happy hour. Oh, happy hour. Carry on. Carry on. Nah. E- Is this is this what I want? I mean, like my target's right here, and I'm playing for 3-1 risk to reward, which is kind of
Order
crazy,
cancelled.
you know. This is where the actual target should be. But from all of this, all all of this, all the structure, everything, like it seems that it should at least on my pivot, that just at least, which is like
Order
right
cancelled.
here. Why it's stopping for so long?
Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
So that's basically where the humans are fucking up the strategy. When you consider this to be a very solid
Order cancelled.
strategy, then what you get is that your 2-to-1 risk to reward is not being taken. Why? Because you're thinking that you can make more on that. And suddenly the market shifts and you're not able to take more than you think, and your 2-to-1 has already been hit, but you are sitting here without it. Why? Well, just because you thought that you made outsmart the strategy and be smart as boy this time and play for big
Order cancelled.
wins, which is
Order cancelled.
kind of suck, right? Which obviously sucks. And you get effed by the market. Because market doesn't give a flying F about anything else. What you want, what you think. It's just that it does what it does. And this today is a choppy market. And our target 1 to 2 is somewhere. I don't know where. So this time, I'm just, you know, I wouldn't want this trade to be a loser because my target has been taken. And this is the lesson for me, not to move my take profit. Because when I move take profit, this is what I get. I'm taking more risk than I should. And my statistics don't play out. You know what I mean? They don't play out. They're just whack. Whack it. Whack, whack, whack. So my initial target
Order
was
cancelled.
right 488. So it's, yeah, exactly right here. This has been taken, just so you know. And I should be sitting right now with my lovely profits, not giving a flying F about anything else what happened in market later on, because now you see it's like there's nothing really
Order
good
cancelled.
happening. I'll take 1-to-1, at least. I would love this 1.5 or something, but it just pretty pity. It's a waiting game. My target is here, because if that like breaks again, we're down to the bottom of this range and stopped out. Okay. Well, yes, still has juice to the downside, so probably also this guy is also having some juice to the downside through 900s, 100s. It's just there's no way it's not gonna tag that liquidity. Where am I sitting?
Order filled.
Okay, done. how do you describe this day? Bad day. Bad trading day. I should be sitting on here. Thank you.